Being broke sucks, and you can only live that way for so long before it starts to wear you down. Here's something no one tells you. You're not bad with money. You're just missing the one thing that actually moves you forward. You're not stuck forever. There is a way to break free. But here's a secret most people never tell you. Before you can build wealth, you have to stop seeing money as something rare or unattainable. I'm Rose Colburn, and I help people take control of their money with real BS-free financial strategies, because nobody should feel like financial freedom is out of reach. When you're tired of being broke, even the little things start to hit harder. The empty bank account, the declined credit card, that tight, panicked feeling in your chest when an unexpected expense pops up. And here's the thing. When your environment constantly reflects lack, your brain starts to believe that it's your reality. It starts to expect it. That's why the first step towards changing your financial future is to shift what you see every single day. Start small. Keep a little bit of cash in your wallet somewhere visible, maybe $5, $10. Not necessarily for spending, but for noticing and for coming to accept the fact that it's okay to keep money around. And if you spend it, replace it. Maybe even increase the amount and tell yourself, I have plenty of money. When I first implemented this in my own life, one of the things that I started doing was carrying a $2 bill with me at all times. In fact, even though I carry more money with me now, I still have that $2 bill that I carry with me. It's sort of become a part of what's in my wallet. Actually, there's a $1 bill. I don't really know the significance of the $1 bill, but there's the $2 bill. This is a reminder to me that it's okay to keep money around. And it also shows me where I started from. I don't know how the $1 bill got in there, or when I put it in, or what there was significant about it, but I no longer feel afraid of keeping money around. I never carried cash before, and now it's just part of who I am. It's part of my reality. You see, when your brain sees money, even in small amounts, it starts to build a new belief. I have money. Money is available to me whenever I want it. Money is abundant. And this might sound too simple to matter, but it makes a difference. It's not about the amount of money. It's about the message that you're sending to your subconscious. Instead of seeing emptiness, you're creating a visual cue that says, money exists in my life. I'm not starting from zero. You can take it a step further. Put a digital savings tracker on your phone. Visit Amazon and look for a money tree. It's a cute little tree with semi-precious stones on it. Write an affirmation about abundance on a sticky note and stick it on your mirror. This is not about pretending that you're rich. It's about getting your brain used to the idea that money is a part of your life, not something rare, scary, or out of reach. Over time, this rewires how you feel about money. It shifts your brain from survival mode to possibility mode. Because when you start seeing money as something normal, you're a lot more likely to replace your spending habits with habits that help you reach your goals and grow your money. Hey, sorry. Didn't mean to interrupt, but I just wanted to pop in real quick and tell you about something that I'm really excited for. The 30-day budgeting challenge starts this Sunday right here on YouTube. There's nothing to sign up for, no email list or anything. Just come back here to this channel. It's 30 days of quick, no fluff budgeting tips to help you take control of your money without feeling overwhelmed. So if you're not subscribed yet, this would be a great time to do that. And hey, hit the bell too so you don't miss a day. And if you're watching this after the challenge has started or even after it's finished, don't worry, because I'll link to the full series so you can jump in anytime. And I think she wants me to leave now. Okay, I'm going. Goodbye. See you soon. The second shift is just as important, and it starts with your words. How many times have you said, I'm broke. I can't afford that. I'm bad with money, without even thinking about what you're saying? Those phrases, they feel harmless, and maybe they're even honest. But the more you say them, the more your brain accepts them as fact. And when your brain believes something is true, it stops looking for ways to change it. Language creates identity. When you say, I'm broke, What you're really saying is, this is who I am. I am a person who is broke. I am a person who has no money. I am a person who is bad at managing money. And that keeps you stuck. But here's the good news. You can flip the script. Try replacing I'm broke with something like, it's not in my plans right now, or I'm choosing to spend differently this month. I'm being intentional with my money. A purchase isn't part of my plans. I'm good with money. I'm good at managing my money. These might seem like small changes, but they shift the energy completely. You're no longer speaking from a place of powerlessness. You're speaking from choice and control, because that's what this is really about. You're not ignoring reality. You're just choosing words that reinforce progress, not permanence. And the more that you do this, the more your subconscious starts to align with that identity. One where you're thoughtful with your money, strategic, in charge of your financial future. This is about rewiring your money story one sentence at a time. It's not about pretending that you're not struggling. It's about refusing to stay stuck in that struggle. If you've ever felt like you're doing everything right, but still can't seem to get ahead, it's probably because the little things aren't lining up. Big changes don't happen all at once. They're built from small, repeated actions, tiny habits that reinforce who you want to become. That's why this third shift is all about micro movements that rewire your relationship with money. Here's the challenge. Do one small thing each day, just one, that supports abundance, not scarcity. And I mean small. Move $1 into your savings account every single day. At the end of the 30 days, that's $30, and you've created a positive, nurturing, and empowering relationship with your money. Look at your budget and say, I'm proud of myself for paying attention. Tell yourself, I'm becoming someone who's good with money, even if you don't quite feel like it's true yet. These might seem too minor to make a difference, but every time you take small intentional action, you're teaching your brain, I'm safe, I'm growing, I'm making progress, I'm good with money. You shift from fear into confidence, from helplessness to empowered. These are what I call tiny abundance habits, and they work because they're repeatable. They don't depend on motivation or a perfect mood. They're simple enough to do even on a hard day when you don't feel like doing them. And that consistency builds trust with yourself. Over time, these habits become part of your identity. You stop feeling like someone who's trying to do better with their money and start becoming someone who is doing better with their money. Someone who manages their money in alignment with their goals. You don't have to wait until you're rich to stop feeling broke. That shift can start today, right now, by choosing to interact with money in a new way. These mind shift upgrades create a foundation for wealth long before the numbers in your bank account line up. And if you're ready to start building wealth, check out this video next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.